Hello my wonderful friends, welcome to Dream Wonder Kids. Today we are going to play with some magical shapes. But first, let's look our magical tool. Look at this round black marker. This is our black outline to our shapes. And look at this beautiful orange, yellow green, pale purple, petal blue, dark blue light, pastel green. Are you ready to color? Let's go! Look our beautiful set of shapes. You did a wonderful job today, my friend. Did you have fun coloring with me? If you want to learn and play every day, tap that big red button and subscribe to Dream Wonder Kids. See you in the next magical video. Bye bye.